You can deliver assessments using Path to Excel. In order to do this, click on Assessments. All assessments are auto-scored by Path to Excel and automatically feed into the report card. Every teacher has access to all of the assessments in the system. This means the upper grade teachers will be able to have access to a BPST if they want to give it to a student who's struggling, and lower grade teachers will have access to other areas. For my 4th grade class, I'd like to give a reading fluency. At the beginning of the year, I'll click Setup and I can select the fluency that I would like to give for the whole year. It auto-selects the ones recommended by the district. Once I've selected the ones I want, I will hit Save and Close. Then, in order to get the assessments turned on, I click Conduct Quiz for Trimester 1. A new window called Student Work will open. You can see here up here at the top that this was spinning because it doesn't open a new one if I already have it open. So I already have Student Work open. I'm going to click here, and I see the names of all of my students. In order to give the assessment, I click Conduct Quiz, and a new window will open that has the name of the fluency. In this case, it's Reading Fluency. As the student is reading, I will have a timer in my hand that will go. This does not record the 1 minute. So when I start the timer, the student will start reading, and then I will click on any words that they misread. Once the end of a minute comes, I will click the check mark after the last word that the student read. The system automatically tabulates the number of missed words and the number of words read in a minute. You can see that down at the bottom. It will auto-feed these numbers into the report card. If I'm a primary teacher and I would like to do a BPST, I will click on Conduct BPST. I will select the class I'd like to conduct it for, and it will generate the BPST assessment for me. This may take a few minutes. Once it generates the BPST assessment sheets for students, you can deliver the test. As students take the test, you can click on the areas that they get correct. You'll notice a green box that goes around the letter and a dot that fills in. The dot represents the trimester, so in the first trimester, the first dot will show up. If you're clicking the box during the second trimester, the second dot will fill in. At the top, it automatically tabulates how many boxes have been clicked and puts the score in. Each of these lines represents a different trimester. If the student gets all of them correct, you can click the All Correct button, and it will fill it in for all of the boxes. If a student doesn't get any of them correct, you can click the score 0, and it will fill in a 0 for you. You can skip to different students in the list by clicking on their name on the right.